Meet Emma. When she was little, her imagination ran wild with all the possibilities of what she could become. Her future felt limitless and bright. Now, as a high school student, Emma faces decisions that will shape the rest of her life. She feels the pressure to choose a path, but doesn't know where to start. She's not alone. 75% of students change their college major at least once, costing families anywhere from $5,000 to $30,000 in extra expenses. Without clear direction, years of frustration may follow. What if we could go back and add one step that changes her entire trajectory? Career coaching for students helps teens confidently build a plan for their future. Students begin the program by taking an online workplace caliber assessment. They then attend a one-day workshop where they use their personalized assessment to match them to high-potential career options. Afterwards, they receive a guidebook that equips them to research and identify a career, build a professional network, create an education plan, and acquire professional skills for their career.
It showed me a lot about myself, about my strengths, my weaknesses. Since the career coaching, I have been able to meet with a ton of people in the career that I want to go into. I would absolutely recommend the career coaching to other students. If you're struggling to find what you want to do in your future, then I just really recommend it. It's really great.
One decision can replace worry and wasted resources with clarity and confidence. Visit studentcareercoaching.org to learn more and register today.